Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Bukkit server for Minecraft 1.7.9 or just any update you want, because it is exactly the same. So basically what you want to do first is visit the description, and under downloads there'll be 3 links. You want to click them all, and basically one will take you to here, the other to here, and the last one to here. Now basically on here what you want to do is you want to select. So firstly you want to decide which version you want it. So I'm just going to go with the latest one. So you want to click that. Say if you wanted for, I don't know, say 1.6.2, you just click there and it'll download. So I'm just going to go for the latest one. So click that. Doesn't really matter what build, that's just the stages of them. So you want to press keep, and it'll basically be downloading. So you want to wait for that. Okay, so once it's done, you basically want to go to show all downloads. For other browsers it should just pop up. Should be fairly easy. Now basically what you want to do, these are just from a fail before. Anyway, you just want to drag that to your desktop, so like that. So you should have Craft Bucket, and you can exit this, and you can also exit this. So now basically you can minimize this as well. So now basically we have the sort of server, but it's not right. It's not really a server yet. So basically you want to right click, new folder, and you want to call this, it doesn't matter at all, but basically the server is going to be in this folder. So I'm just going to call it server bucket. Should probably be bucket server, but anyway, so you want to get this and you want to just drag it into your server bucket or whatever you called that. And now we want to right click, new text document. Okay, you just want to go into that. Now basically you want to go back to the Google, and you want to go to the second link. It should be already open, but basically it's going to give you 2 things here, so this one and this one. Basically you will just want to get this, so copy it like that, right click, copy, right click, paste. Okay, and then you want to go file, save, and then you can exit that. Then you want to right click it, right click, rename, and you want to name it something.bat. So I'm just going to name it start.bat. Okay, you actually need to, okay, double click on it, sorry, file, save as, and then start.bat, but when it says save as type, you want to go to all files, then save, replace. Okay, that didn't work. Alright, file, save as, all files, and I think you need to give it a new name, so just PG, I don't know, anyway. Okay, there we go, so you can delete the old one. So now basically this will run the server. Now if I do it, it's not going to work. It's going to come up with that, which basically means that the Java, where the Java is, so on this, the Java's in the wrong place. This might not be the case. I think it's just because of my computer. I like put Java in the wrong place or something. But yeah, that might not work. It might, and then you're fine. But in case not, this is how you fix it. So right click, edit. You want to delete all of this, and you want to get the second code. Right click, copy. Right click, paste, and then you want to click the Windows button, and then just go to the search, and you want to search for Java. Right click on Java, open file location, and you want to click here and just copy that, and then you want to highlight C to bin, right, like that. N, C to N. You want to right click, paste, so then it should be that, and then / java.exe. So once you've done that, then it should work. Now just a sort of note thing, if you have a lot of RAM on your computer, you can actually make it bigger here. So if I just put that to like 10,000, yeah, anyway, I'm not going to do that, but yeah, so basically you're done. It should work now. So you want to file, save, and then as you can see, it doesn't work because you have to rename this as well. So make sure you click on this, right click, rename, and then you want to delete all this, so it's basically just called Craft Bukkit. You can also just delete it all and then call it Craft Bukkit. Now the reason for that is because if we go to edit, as you can see it says craftbukkit.jar. So if we say put craftbukkit1 file save, it won't work, but then if we name this craftbukkit1, it will work. Obviously you don't have to do that, but yeah, so now it's going to load up your server. You just want to wait for that to load. There will be many errors just because it's just starting up, and you just want to wait for it to generate the world. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, once it's done, it'll say done, and then press stop. So type stop and then enter, and then press any button. You can close this, and then you're left with this. So this is basically a program that allows your friends and you to join the server. So what you want to do, you want to click condition of use, and you want to click this first download now. So that's going to load. It might take a while, but you want to locate your downloads and just wait for that to load. Okay, so once that's done, drag that to your desktop as well, and you can destroy that. So basically you want to double click on Hamachi. Okay, select your select your language, which is English. I suppose if you're watching this video, it's English as well. Next, I agree. Make sure to read that. Yep. You wanna, yeah, if you wanna put it in another destination, you probably don't. But yeah, so install, and it shouldn't take too long. So just wait for that to load. Okay, once it's done, tick launch, so finish. Okay, should start Hamachi. Then you want to click the power button, pick a name, and it should just do its thing. Should probe. Don't know why it says that, don't know what it means, but anyway. So wait for that. Alright, now what it's done, you want to click create a new network. Sorry. You want to make up something here. Preferably something your friends can remember. Veggie109. Beautiful. Random password. I tend to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and create. So, once you've got that, you want to right click here, and it should say copy IPv4 address, so click that. And now you want to go into your server properties file, so it should be somewhere here. You want to right click, open with, and then a notepad, or like a text editing program, so you can go choose default program if nothing comes up here. Then more options, and then just find something, so you could use Word, WordPad, any of these. I'm just going to go with Notepad. Okay, once you've done that, this is basically where you edit all your server stuff. So where it says server IP, you want to click here, and then you want to right click, paste. So now it should say server IP equals, and then that thing we just copied. So basically, that was a bit weird. Anyway, here you can just mess around with these settings. So for example, here it says PvP true, so that means PvP is on at the moment. If I wanted to make that false, we just simply highlight true and change it to false. False. So now, if I hit someone, it won't allow. So you want to go File, Save, and you can exit that off. And now it's basically done. So you can run the server. So to do that, you just double click on the bat file, or batch, whatever. So yeah, we just wait for that to load, and basically if someone wants to join your server, they basically have to join your network. So they have to join Veggie109. So to do that, they would have to go to network, join, and then put in Veggie109 and then the password. So once they're in your network, they can join your server. So to do so, you have to go into Minecraft, obviously, and you want to play, and you basically just want to put in that IPv4 address. So right click, copy, and then you just put it in. and basically that's where you give to your friends to join. So they will be able to join if the server's open, if they've joined your network, and if they have the right IP in. So once you do that, join server, and it will work. So yeah, as you can see, it's worked. Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to know how to install plugins, I will be doing some more videos on that. So there's your plugins folder, you can mess around with that. And yeah, that's basically how you make a server. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or you need help or something like that, leave a comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, I'll see you all later.